In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit calendar availability on Fresha in this comprehensive 2025 guide. Let's dive right into making sure your appointments are set up just the way you want them. First things first, you'll want to log into your Fresha account. Once you're in, head over to the sidebar or the main menu where you'll select Settings. Under Settings, find the Scheduling section. This is where the magic starts. Once there, you'll see options like appointments and online availability. Selecting either of these will grant you access to your availability controls. This setup is crucial as it influences how and when your clients can book appointments with you. Now let's move on to editing your online availability. You'll need to locate the online availability section and click on the edit button. This is your gateway to customizing your schedule. Begin by setting your time ranges for each day. For instance, you might want to be available from 9 o'clock a.m. to 12 o'clock p.m. and again from 1 o'clock p.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. This not only helps in managing your time, but also fits in best with your routine. If there are specific days when you're not available to take bookings, you can easily toggle days off or even deactivate certain days entirely. It's all about tailoring the schedule to suit your needs perfectly. Another feature you might find useful is adding broken shifts or split times. This comes in particularly handy when you want to allocate time for lunches or breaks. By doing this, you ensure there are no overlapping appointments during these rest periods. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, be sure to save your updates. Saving your settings will apply the changes immediately, so make sure everything looks just how you want it before you hit that button. Finally, it's always a good idea to review your changes in the calendar view. Head over to your Fresha calendar to confirm that all your availability changes are displaying correctly. In calendar view, you can also make use of the calendar filters. These filters are especially helpful for seeing staff schedules or blocked periods filtered by type, allowing you to have an at-a-glance view of what's happening and when. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your calendar availability on Fresha is perfectly aligned with your personal and professional requirements. Having a well-organized calendar not only smooths out appointment scheduling, but also enhances your productivity and service delivery. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.